Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we're going to continue with these local strategies, and I will show you how I managed to turn 40 USDT into 100 USDT within just few hours. I will show you a proof. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Let's check it out. If this local strategies is really working out for you, drop it at the comment sections so that we can keep advancing and keep showing up more and more of it. Okay, there's this coin that has been so down for like a while. I can say this coin has been very down for over 8 months. But what just happened recently? What just happened these 2 days? It happens that this coin has turned out to make over 200% movement. Very positive, right? Imagine how much I have made from this. Just that I was not even patient enough, I would have made up to 200 USDT from this amazing trade. So let's dive into that to see. Okay, let's dive into that for you to see for yourself. And one thing you must understand is that this coin has been down. A lot of people who have been holding this coin lost a hope. But because of its long time negativity, I chose to dive in and something beautiful happened. You can see from where it has taken off to the 0.07, this point 0.07. You can see from where it does take off. Let's see how it has been in negative. Okay, let's see how it has been in negativity. Okay, I'll take you to it one day. You can see how it does well in one day. Okay, in just a few hours, today this coin take a massive move. All right, it took a massive move from 0.03 to 0.07. That's a very great move, right? You can see, let's look at 4 hours and see how long this coin has been down. Okay, let's see how long this coin have been down. Let's take out the 1 day and see. This coin have been down from the very day it was launched. It has never made a significant movement from then. This coin on the day it was launched, it took up to 0.8. It was launched at 0.06, and now it has gone deep below its launching price and then take off again. And as you can see, it's also gathering a big momentum to move on. But should you want to dive into this game again, watch carefully. Look at the direction and study the direction carefully. This coin was launched at 0.06. It took its maximum high 0.8 and returned again to where? Let's see. It returned again and take it low. It took it low at 0.06. It's high at 0.08. It's open at also 0.06. Look at this carefully. Right? So from then, it has been taking a very deep down in negativity until here again, which it has started taking a very significant move again. That was in February. It wanted to take a move, but unfortunately not. Okay, and it's since then it has been trying to increase little by little and also decreasing little by little. It It has taken a lot of high, low, 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 and low. But now it comes to this place and take a sharp up and also return down. Now this is where long-time investment is required. If you had invested in this very coin right from day one when it fall to 0.03, right? When it fall to 0.003, you would have gained a lot by now. So this is where long-time investment is required. You can see how it is. And today, it took a very high move to 0.07, and its low was 0.01, and its high was 0.07, and it opened also at 0.01. You can see. Now, most of the things we check is the hours interval. How long does it take falling from 0.02, which is here? This is what we calculate mostly in our local analysis. This is exactly what we calculate. And how low it takes? 0.009. That's from 0.002. Let's look at it hours. How long it has taken from here? How long it has taken from here? Down here. Right? So let's quickly check the hours. You can see the hours here. It started at 1. And let's see here. Here was also 1, which is 12 hours. From 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. 12 hours, right? Good. Now you understand that from here to this place, it took 12 hours. Downgrading. Taking negativity movement. Okay? So, okay. We now check from here again to this place. How many hours does it take? Let's see here. Here was also 1. Wow. It has something interesting with this number. Take it off from 0.009 to 0.0114. Right? Looking at here. Yes. When was this? 1. 1 to 1, which is still 12 hours. You can see. This is exactly how you can keep monitoring any of those trades of your choice for you to move on with it and make a huge profit. Okay? You keep following up this way and then you will make a huge profit. I had possibly turned my 40 USDT to 100 USDT in this amazing trade you've seen. Because of what? I used the local analysis. I was patient. I was persevere. And I was consistency in my trading. I was consistent. Okay? So all you just need to do is to quickly study with our local analysis. Don't forget, always study with that. Study with our local analysis. If you do have any question, always drop it at the comment section and I'll attend to you ASAP. Now you can see how good this coin has done. Plus what? Plus 295. Imagine you have hold this trade for long. Do you know how much you'll be having? It's roughly 295 USDT holding right now. You can see 24 hour high, which is 0.07. A 24 hour low, 0.0099. A 24 hours turnover was 1.226 million. That's a very good beginning. And it's still gathering a momentum to keep moving forward. So look at this very coin carefully, known as IRL. It is part of those coins which Bybit wanted to delist the other time. And that was when I saw the opportunity. Because I know that they will not allow Bybit to delete them. So they will have to put efforts and gather momentum to move on. And which is actually my dreams and my predictions came true. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. If you do have any question, feel free. Drop it at the comment section and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.